Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and I have some awesome news for game developers. I know Humble Bundle have been going at us hard. There's been like a bundle a day all week, it feels like. But this one I know many of you have been waiting for because it is another Synty bundle. If you like their low polygon assets, this is the Best of Polygon #3 Game Dev Assets by Synty bundle. And it is a collection of low polygon game art assets. The cool thing is this is a 3rd edition, so this is all new assets, so you can add to your ever-expanding library of low polygon assets if you already have stuff from Synty. Synty is available on Unreal and Unity. The cool thing about this bundle is actually they're getting the raw form versions as well, so you're getting Unity projects and Unreal Engine projects, but you're also getting the source versions, like the textures and the FBX files used to create them, so you can also bring these into the Godot game engine, into Blender, into O3D, whatever game engine you want to use. You can use these assets in them without having to jump through any actual hoops. So Humble Bundles are organized into tiers. You buy a higher dollar value tier, you get all of the tiers below it. The $1 tier is of legit use. By the way, you decide how your money is allocated between Humble, Charity, the publisher, and if you so choose, and thank you so much if you do, to help support Game From Scratch. So what you're getting here at the $1 tier is the Polygon Western Frontier and the prototyping pack. And then on top of that, the Simple City. This tends to be like a slightly lower polygon, anything mobile ready. These tend to be even lower polygon than the rest of the packs. You're getting Simple City. Any of these, by the way, you could drill down and get a detail of how many assets are in the pack, what the things look like. Oftentimes for the bigger packs, there will be an actual video you can watch, but generally each one of these packs has several hundred assets in it, which is quite impressive. Move up to the median tier, which literally nobody buys because the price never makes sense. Currently at, say, $22 USD, you're getting the Battle Royale pack, the Polygon Dungeon pack, the Polygon Dungeons map pack, simple props, items, icons, cartoon assets, the mobile shop interiors. Again, these mobile assets are even lower polygons. And then we got Simple People #2. And then the bundle that 95% of people are going to buy is the Full Fat bundle. That is $25 USD. And at that level, you're getting the Polygon Nature pack, the Polygon War pack, Simple Fantasy, mobile assets, so cartoon assets, Polygon Gang Warfare pack, the Boss Zombies, Simple Racer, War Map, Hearst Kit, Simple Apocalypse interiors, fantasy interiors, a $10 discount, and then everything else we talked about early on. Definitely worth it across the board. Great assets. Now, I'm actually going to do a follow-up video probably this weekend, maybe early into next week, where I showcase the majority of these packs so you can actually see all of the assets into this pack. I just wanted to get this video out to you quick because I know a lot of you guys really like the Synty stuff. I really like the Synty stuff, so this is a great bundle to pick up. Now, what are you actually getting when you buy this bundle? Well, what you're getting is 3 sets of redemption keys. So you actually redeem these on the Synty store site, not on the Unreal or the Unity store, and that actually, I know if you want to keep all your stuff in one place, you'd rather be in your engine store of choice. But the nice thing about this is, like I said, you could use it however you wish, and they have implementations for everybody. So I'm not going to show you my keys. I'm going to show you from a bundle I picked up in the past, and the same process. So what you do is you head on over to the Synty store, which, by the way, is available at syntystore.com, and then you go log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you are in your account, what you want to do is go in and say, it'll be available. So your orders here, you can see a previous bundle was like this. By the way, you can download the receipt if you really so wish for some reason. But you can go to My Downloads, and here is where all of the packs are. Now, again, this is from a previous redeemed bundle. I haven't redeemed mine yet because, again, I don't necessarily want you guys seeing my keys. But it works like this. So if I want to grab the City Zombies pack, boom, I download it from their site. They have it in Unreal Engine 4.x, which will, by the way, automatically convert up to 5.1 or 5.11, whatever the current version is. You have the source files, you have the icon version, and then you have a Unity package. So if you're using Unity or Unreal, you are good to go. You're actually going to get, prefab support. Everything is going to be ready to drag and drop in your engine. But probably the coolest thing here is you're also getting the source file version. So let's go ahead and grab this one as an example. Again, this is not an asset from this particular bundle, but it does show you how this thing works. We go ahead and open that one up. And what you're going to see here, this is going to change for some of them. Some of them are just going to be FBXs. This one may not have animation, so you're also seeing OBJ. But you go into the characters, all the various different characters and all the various animations, FBX files for all of them. So you can use that in whichever kind of game engine you wish, import them into Blender, etc. And then also you got here is you got a, for some reason, a Maya ASCII file, which I haven't seen before. All your textures are here as well, and sometimes you're going to see OBJ files as well. So that means you should be able to drop these into most game engines of choice. The one thing to be aware of with Synty assets, and this is a bit of a tripping point, is sometimes they use FBX ASCII format, which isn't as universally supported as you'd like. So sometimes you need to run that through a converter, which is a bit of a pain. It seems to be on an asset-by-asset basis. Just one of those things. If your tool of choice isn't importing the FBX file and there isn't an alternative available and you're not using Unreal or Unity, it might be the ASCII problem. So just one of those things to be aware of with their assets. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the bundle. Again, I will do a follow-up video where I actually show you these things hands-on. I'll load them into a number of different game engines. You can see what the actual various different packs look like, what the contents of those packs are, and how they will look in different engines. If there's a very specific pack that you want to see me focus on, please do let me know. I'm going to probably ignore most of the simple. I'll show you one or two of the simple so you get an idea of what they're like, but I'm going to try and get the majority of these Polygon packs in a hands-on video. But if there's something specific that you want to see, do let me know in the comments down below. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it. The Polygon, the best of Polygon game dev assets by Synty, Volume 3. And the cool thing about Synty in general is they make a Polygon pack for literally everything. So if you commit to this art style and you need something else, they're going to have it. So you can extend the art style out into whatever genre you want. So this is basically a massive library of assets in the game space that you're looking at. And you may want to notice that these are legit deals. So this Humble Bundle, these packs, so this is actually one of the packs, well, actually it's one of the cheaper packs, but they are like the legit pricing point of these things is pretty high. So what you're getting here, this deal, is legit a deal. So let me know what you think of this bundle in general and specifically what you would like to see in a follow-up, and I shall talk to you all later. Goodbye.